I found a secret loophole that no one else is talking about where you can cash in $200 all the way up to $3,000 without any skill or experience. There is a small group of people quietly using this underground loophole and making money every single month. If you are totally new and looking for some easy ways to make money online, this is it. This is 100% free and it works in all the countries in the world. Stay tuned and keep watching because this might be the video that will change you and your family's life. Before we get into the video, this is USA Videos and welcome to the channel where I teach you tips and tricks on how to make money online. So be sure to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so you stay updated whenever a new video is up. Also, please don't forget to smash the like button, and if you have any questions, concerns or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment down below. Now let's get started. Now I want you to go ahead to moneypantry.com. Once you go onto this website, you can see here, welcome to Money Pantry, simple solutions to earn and save more money online. Now this website and this blog post will help you to find many different ways and many different methods to make money online. I really want to give credit to the website owner because this is a really good website with a lot of useful information. Now take a look at this. You can find multiple ways to make money, 81 legit ways to earn money online, 150 legitimate work from home jobs, and they're hiring right now. A lot of ways to make money, save money, and you can get a lot of freebies as well on this website. You can see here moneypantry.com get paid to write on over 100 different websites. They are willing to pay you $50 up to even $300 per blog post. And don't worry, you don't need any writing skills. You don't have to be good in English. In fact, you don't have to write anything yourself because right on this video, I'll show you a very unique and powerful strategy using a Google trick to get everything done for you on complete autopilot. All you have to do is collect the payments. When you come onto this website, you can find a lot of different companies that are willing to pay you money to write articles. For example, this company is willing to pay you this amount per blog. Scrolling down below, you can find literally hundreds and hundreds of different companies that are willing to pay you a lot of money. The earning potential here is unlimited. There are just so many opportunities for you because you can find multiple different websites and you can build up to multiple streams of income. For example, this website Cracked is a very famous website and they are willing to pay you $50 up to $200 per post, and this one decides they are willing to pay you to write fiction such as fantasy and science fiction. They pay even 7 up to 12 cents for every single word you write. Now let me show you an example using one of these companies that you can make money online by simply writing on Google. You can see here the sites that pay you to write about general interest, and the reason why I want to show you this one is because it's very simple for you to write about general interest in just a moment. I'll show you where you can find free articles so you can simply get some inspiration and ideas, or even just copy and paste those done for your articles. For example, this company Vibrant Life, they're willing to pay you $100 up to $300 per post. Go ahead and click on this link right here, Vibrant Life, and then you're going to come to this website. It's very important that articles should focus on one topic and stay with that subject to the end. Now these are short articles, just a few hundred words, and then you can get paid up to $300 per post. It's a very good earning potential for brand new beginners from any country in the world. Now I want you to give a reference on how good the earning is. Now for example, I want to show you this website right here, which is called Textbrooker. This website, they also pay you to write articles, but let me show you the difference of the pricing, the difference of the money that you can make. For example, if you're writing articles of Textbrooker, if you write $600, if you write 600 words per article for 3-star qualities, you're just going to get paid $6. But for this website Vibrant Life, they're going to pay you $100 up to $300 per post by simply writing a very short article. This is actually very easy, and let me show you how to do this. Let me show you the next step, which is you're going to copy and paste free articles on Google and how you can submit them to the website and you can start getting paid as soon as today. Now what I want you to do is go on to Quora.com. Now for example, if you write a topic about general interest interest. For example, a topic on how to learn English. And then you're going to press on enter to the search button. After that, you're going to find a lot of different posts because Quora is a free forum that allows people to post different questions, and you can also see answers to those questions. There are just so many posts on Quora, as you can see over here. Now if I click on the link right here, as you can see, how do we study English effectively, there are a lot of people following these posts. Now when you go down below, you can find that there are more than 100 different answers. For example, this answer, click on more, and this is the entire article that was written. When you scroll down below, you can see there are a lot of words, there are high quality content on Quora, and there are a lot of people giving these answers. The reason why I love Quora so much for this strategy is because you can find over hundreds of different answers, but they will automatically give you the best answer pinned on the very top. For example, this one, when you search on the polls, they will give you the best answer on top. This is the first answer because a lot of people like it. The next step is that you're going to read these articles and then you can copy this one, but remember, you don't want to copy exactly other people's work because that is plagiarism. We are not going to do this, but instead I want you to get some inspiration and look at different people on how they're writing their answers. Now I want you to go ahead and go on to Google. I want you to type in a keyword which is Google Doc, and then click on the search button, and you can see here the first link, Google Docs. I want you to click on the link, and then you're going to come out to this page where you can start a new doc. Click on this blank document right there, and we're going to open up a new Google Doc, which is a blank document where you can start copying and pasting. Basically, what we're going to do is we're going to copy the answer and paste them into this document, and then we're going to submit that and get paid on different websites. So moving on, I want you to go back to Quora, and then you're going to open up different links. For example, open up this post and this post right here. You can find different answers for this topic. This post is really a good article. It's a very good post. So just copy this post and go back to Google Doc and just paste it, and you can repeat the same thing. Remember, what we're doing here is that you're not going to copy exactly what other people write because they are not going to accept your articles if you copy 100%. The best and easiest strategy is that you can refer to multiple people and find different posts, look for different answers, and get different points from different answers, and then tweak it, change it a little bit using your own words. The reason why this strategy is so much powerful is because you only need very short articles, about 400 up to 600 words. That should be enough. In fact, they don't even want you to exceed 1000 words. So this is a very good strategy and opportunity for you to come up with short articles using the answers from Quora. Now I'll show you another Google trick that you can use. Once you read those articles, you can go back to Google Docs and just go ahead and click onto this tool button right here, and then click on voice typing. You can start speaking to your mobile phone with your microphone or your computer, and instead of typing and writing the articles yourself, you can actually speak, and then the spatial tool will automatically help you to convert your voice into words. So once you finish speaking, just click onto this button to stop the voice typing tool. This is a very good strategy, a very nice Google trick that you can use instead of just typing out all those articles and the blog posts yourself. You can just speak and you can just read out the answers on Quora, because for me, I can read faster than I type. Now if you're still watching this video, comment down below and let me know. If you're still watching, you're absolutely amazing, because as usual, I'll show you special bonus tips to make even more money online. Let me show you another bonus website, which is listverse.com. Now this website, they're going to pay you to write a top 10 list, and you can see here it's all top 10 articles. Then they pay you up to 100 per top 10 list. So this is a very good opportunity for you to make money online by simply writing on different websites. Now you can go back on Quora. For example, if you receive this job, this top 10 drinking games, that you can just go to Quora and then you can type in a keyword which is top 10 drinking games. Press on the search button and you can search on this topic to see whether or not you like. You can find some good answers. I can just go down below. There's so many good answers that I can copy and paste. So this is actually a very good source of inspiration. You can just go over different answers and just make your own top 10 list. You can find different websites to get paid. For example, moneypantry.com. They're going to find you different websites and different companies, and they're willing to pay you money and to write some simple articles, or even other companies like Listverse, and they're willing to pay you write a top 10 list. It doesn't matter what website you're using to make money online, whether it is Listverse or whether it is Money Pantry. You can effectively use Quora to find your answers. Just simply get some inspiration, and you can refer to other people's answers, copy and paste those answers into Google Docs, and then you can use the voice typing tool to write the articles for you, and you can submit and make a lot of money online. And And that is it for today's video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have learned something today. This is USA videos, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.